The Anker USB-C to USB-C cable is a top-tier choice for anyone in need of a reliable, fast-charging cable. With power delivery support up to 60 watts, it efficiently charges phones, tablets, and even laptops at high speeds, making it a great all-in-one solution for multiple devices. What sets this cable apart is its exceptional durability. Featuring a reinforced nylon braided exterior and a tough internal core, it's built to endure over 12,000 bends, significantly outlasting many generic cables I've used in the past. In addition to charging, the cable offers data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second, which is perfect for quickly syncing files between devices. The included hook and loop cable tie is a thoughtful touch, helping to keep things neat and organized when you're on the go. It's compatible with virtually all USB-C devices, and the welcome guide makes setup foolproof, even for less tech-savvy users. Overall, this Anker cable is a solid investment, combining performance, durability, and convenience into one well-designed product. Highly recommended for everyday charging and travel.